Hi guys, Lulu from Boho Locks here, and in this video I'm going to answer a frequently asked question about our Boho Butterfly locks, and that is how to make the loops bigger at the top. So basically what you need to do is hold the top of the loop, and then you'll see a section underneath which you're actually going to pull down, and then you'll see that the loop opens right up. When you have installed the lock, you're probably going to want to tighten it again, which means what you're going to do then is you're going to push that same part back up so it's tightened. So it can be loose, it can be tighter. Loose. And when it's loose, you can probably fit like 2 fingers inside, and then you can then tighten it when you need to. So again, lock, hold the top, pull this section down. You may want to like get your finger in there as well and like do that to get it larger again. Basically you want to make enough room to get it crocheted on, but then you also then want to be able to seal it back and close it and tighten it back up after it's been installed. I hope that's helpful. Any questions, let me know.